has got a pretty powerful engine, the Pratt & Whitney radio, but it's pretty faulty aircraft. So this is why it was so critical in teaching pilots how to fly aircraft that were far more powerful, taught them to respect the airspeed indicator. And that is the thing that you're looking at most of the time when you are flying in a harbour. It has a glass cockpit, canopy, lots of struts in there. Visibility is definitely not great on the ground. Ideal for that.
Right. I love when they
massive numbers in America as well, whether it's called the Texan or the T6. Canadian Air Force uses. The American Navy also trained their pilots on Harvards. During the Second World War, the majority of the flight training was produced over in Canada, where the Canadians used it en masse. So your flight training would start on a Harvard and shipped back over the Atlantic and put onto a Spitfire or a Hurricane. Ejected. That means when you're going airborne, going upside down, you don't want to hang around upside down very long and hard. So that engine will cut out. Basically, it's the fuel that we've got in the car. Once that runs out, you're upside down for the next time, the engine will stop. And it's not a very easy engine to start back up again. So all of the inverted maneuvers will be the transitioning to the right way out. That fuel flowing in the Pratt & Whitney radio engine up the front. Very tough aircraft as well. It's quite stocky. Take a lot of damage. It did regularly, but not from guns or other aircraft flying it. Obviously, hard landings was one of its stock trade. And if you ever see a Harvard on the ground, you'll think it's like an aircraft carrier. Because it's got very short, stubby little undercarriage. So that was to help punishing undercarriage. The Royal Navy's historical flight based out of Yeovil, a wide selection of aircraft. Most famous, of course, to your spring bags. Which we'll hopefully here as well. This is one of many aircraft that keep alive down there in Yeovil, doing a fantastic job. Now watch. Slow rolls the aircraft around in a barrel roll. There you go. The aircraft in. Good head-up shot now. Watch it. Pitches the aircraft up into the vertical. Now my fuel's running out of my carburetor. I definitely don't want to be upside for too long. And then it comes right back around. Back into the right envelope. Have a look at the Royal Navy Historical Trust website if you're interested in the younger aircraft.
That guy. Yeah, that one.
Through. It's Navy heritage showing there as it's attacked into the water.
Copy, last pass.
So for the last time, coming from our left-hand side, before he heads on back, refuel for his